Hi guys, Miss McDavid. I wanted to make a quick video for you this afternoon on the upcoming topic test. This will be one of our first big Envision math test, this one covering topic 1, place value. Our test is going to be Monday, September the 10th in the computer lab, so it will be an online assessment. Today your child came home with a study guide for topic 1 and they came home with their math textbook. This is the math text. It's the third grade math text for the school district. This is the Envision's math textbook, and then you also have the option of accessing it online, and I'll walk you through that at the very end. So at the end of each topic, they are giving a practice topic test. And instead of having the children write this all out, I decided it would be much faster for them if they just had it on paper, something that they could write on. So your child came home with this. It's a copy of the page from the textbook, and then at the top I've written in the date and that this is a take-home test. This test is not for a grade, so I don't want anybody to worry that we're going to grade it. It is just for practice in preparation for Monday's test. At the end of each problem, they are going to show you a code. This one says 1-1. And on the other side, it shows 1-3, and I want to explain to you what that means. So with each problem, you're going to get that little code at the end that's indicating to you where that question came from within the lessons covered in those topics. So if you go back into topic 1, you're going to see in the blue section of every page, there's a lesson. This is lesson 1 of topic 1, and that's what you're going to see at the end of each question. The top of it is going to give you an overview of the strategy or skill, and then you have an opportunity for practice here in the bottom. So if you have a particular question where the child is seemingly struggling with a concept, then you can get them to go back into that section of the text and only review those problems where they've demonstrated a weakness. So it really does help save some time, and it gives you as a parent some additional resources to use at home. For those who did not bring home their math textbook, you can access it online. You need to go to the Muskogee County School District website. You want to click on this, it's called Families and Students. And then from there, you're going to go about midways down onto the page where you see some links. You're going to click Envision Math. From there, your child's going to be required to sign in with their GTID number. The GTID number closely resembles a Social Security number in that it's an 8-digit number, but it's actually your child's assigned student number. This student number follows them all through the district, all the way through the 12th grade. So that number is very important and one that most of the children have already memorized. So what you're going to do is have them sign in using their 8-digit code, and then the password is going to be lowercase MC, which stands for Muskogee County, and then you're going to put your child's birth date. So that's going to be a 2-digit month, a 2-digit day, and 2-digit year. And again, it has to have a lowercase m and c at the beginning in order for that to work. And your child has in their binders some papers that have come home over the last couple of weeks with how to sign in to different online software programs, including Achieve 3000, where they're using that GTID number. So if you look back through your child's binder, you'll be able to find and locate that number so that they can sign in. And that's how you're going to get in for Envision Math and for Reading Wonders online. So once you're in, you're going to be able to access the textbook online if your child left their textbook at home accidentally. So again, please go through the math text. Make sure that that home test is completed. Use this resource with the math textbook to help you. The children will be required to show their work. They're going to get a sort of like a recording sheet for me to help to see what they're doing while they're working, especially when we get into addition and subtraction. That's a huge help. With rounding, we probably won't see a lot of work come from them, but if there's anything that they need to work out, we definitely want them to show their work. And you'll be getting a copy of that in with graded papers, or going home in their mailbox, and it'll have a grade on it letting you know how they scored on the test. So be looking for that. And if you have any questions before Monday, please don't hesitate to send me a dojo message. I'll be popping in and out of dojo a couple of times a day just to see if I can answer any questions. Unfortunately, the platform that you guys use at home is very different than the platform that we use here at school. So if you're having difficulty signing into Envision Math or Reading Wonders, it's a little bit different for me to walk you through what to do because I don't see what you guys see, but I will do everything I can to help in any way that I can. So also just a quick tip, if you're doing the Envision or Reading Wonders, please make sure your pop-up blocker is off. If there's anything to do with pop-up blocker, you will not be able to access certain features of either of those software programs. All right, and hope you have a great weekend with your kids. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.